After DeepSeek AI went viral across the world, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said they will be launching the O3 mini model for the free users of ChatGPT, and they have finally done that. So as you can see here, OpenAI's ChatGPT has the O3 mini model, and great thing is free users can use this now. So let's just go to ChatGPT, and we'll be having the reason icon over here. If you enable this, all these questions that we ask is going to get answered by the O3 mini model. O1 model was the most powerful model, and O3 and O3 mini are the next set of powerful models. So let me just go and ask it a prompt related to coding. So this is going to be my prompt. Can you create me an Angry Bird like game with scorecard using HTML and CSS? So this will think a lot before answering yeah. And here you can see this is kind of similar to DeepSeek's R1 model. So here you can see DeepSeek's R1 model also will think a lot. It will have these passages, think lot of paragraphs about the thought process, and then only it will give us the response. And exact same thing is happening here also. If I scroll up, yeah, here you can see it has thought this much, and then only it's giving us the response. So now let's try and see how this looks. So if you scroll down, we'll be having this edit in canvas. So if you can click this, and we'll be having this preview option, run this, and this is the output that we get, Angry Birds lookalike game. So I guess this is the slingshot thing, and this is our obstacle. So if we hit the obstacle, we'll be getting some points. So I can't drag it beyond this rectangle thing, so I'll just drag like this. Okay, and yeah, this is not the best game I would say, but it has understood the task. It has created like an Angry Bird game. It has understand the logic behind it. Okay, so I can drag this slingshot here also, and if I drop it from here, it's hitting it, and I'm just getting the points upgraded. So I wish that it was a little bit better, but that's not mad, to be honest. So now let's go with another prompt. So now let's see if we can use the search feature along with the reasoning model. So let's just enable the search, also enable the reasoning thing, and let me just go with the prompt. So this is going to be my prompt. Give me a 1000-word essay on how ChatGPT is made by researching online AI papers. So I'm going with the O3 mini model, as well as I have enabled the web search. So let's see what it gives. So after thinking for a while, it has given us the response, yeah, with beautiful headings over here, and also has the source over here. So it has primarily taken from Wikipedia. I don't know why it has primarily taken from Wikipedia, but yeah, every source has been Wikipedia over here. And do let me know in the comments if you try web search, if it only takes from Wikipedia or any other site. So let me know in the comments. So that's the video, guys. You can just try the O3 mini model. I hope you'd have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming, AI tools, ChatGPT, Sora. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.